Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use estimation strategies to assess reasonableness of answer. Estimation means giving the approximate answer to an addition or subtraction problem. Estimation is related to rounding, in which we give an answer based on the rounded value of a certain number. Let's take this problem as an example. Four students went on different road trips. Aaron traveled 367 miles. Pablo traveled 412 miles. Axel traveled 238 miles. Kevin traveled 157 miles. Which two friends traveled a total of about 800 miles? We are not looking for the exact answer. We need to find out who among these friends would give us about 800 miles if we put the miles that they have traveled together. So since the place value that you need to round it is not given in the problem, we will round it to the biggest place value that is given, which is 100. So let's have 367. 367, the hundreds, 3 is in the hundreds place, and the number beside it to the right is 6. And we know that if a number is 5 or more, we have to add 1 more to the number that we have underlined. So it's going to be 4, and then make the other numbers 0. Okay, next we have 412. 4 is the one in the hundreds place. Then let's take a look at its neighbor to the right. It's 1. Since 1 is 4 or less, we are not supposed to do anything with number 4. It will be the same. So it's going to be 4, and then the rest of the number to the right will be 0. Next one, we have 238. So 2 is the one in the hundreds place. Looking at its neighbor, which is 3, we know that it's 4 or less. Therefore, 2 will not change. And then make the other numbers to the right 0. Now, what about 157? In 157, 1 is in the hundreds place, and its neighbor to the right is 5. Since 5 is 5 or more, then we have to add 1 to the underlined number. So it's going to be 1 plus 1. It'll give us 2. And then make the rest of the number to the right 0. Okay, now that we have rounded the numbers to the nearest 100, let's find out who among these friends will give us a total of about 800. Pablo and Axel. Pablo has 400, while Axel has 200. So 400 plus 200 equals, I know that 4 plus 2 is equals to 6, and then I just have to put the 2 zeros at the end. 600. So did it give me 800? No. So this one should not be an answer. Next one, Aaron and Pablo. Aaron got 400, plus Pablo has 400 as well. 400 plus 400 is the same thing as like 4 plus 4, it will give me 8. And then add the 2 zeros at the end. It'll be 800. Oh, wait a second. I think these two friends will give me a total of about 800 miles. So for this problem, the answer is Aaron and Pablo.